Hello friends, today I want to show you how to fix Instagram theme option not showing on Instagram DM message option. So as you notice that I cannot find here theme option on my Instagram, so I want to show you how to fix this problem. So the first thing, you have to simply open up the Google Play Store and make sure you have updated your Instagram app. So the first thing, you have to simply update your Instagram app. So once you receive a new update, so first thing you need to simply update your Instagram. So after that you need to simply go to the Instagram settings. So you need to simply tap and hold down the Instagram app, then tap on eye icon. Here you need to simply go to the storage, then you need to simply tap on clear cache. After that you need to simply once again relaunch the Instagram, and this time you need to simply tap on Instagram DM message option. Now here you need to simply open up the specific chat of your friend. So you notice that it doesn't show any theme option. So this is actually problem which a lot of people try to fix this. So this problem is happening when you update your Instagram app. So if you want to fix this problem, you need to simply, now I want to just show you the second method. You need to simply open up the Play Store. Here you have to simply first join the beta of the Instagram, and after that you need to simply uninstall the application. And now you notice that I have successfully joined the Instagram beta version. So you notice that you are the beta teaser for this app, and after that you need to simply once again reinstall the Instagram. And in this time I hope I will be fix this problem. So in this time I just want to once again open up the Instagram app. So now once again I want to log in my Instagram account here. After that I want to just once again open up my Instagram DM message option. Now I want to just open up the chat of my specific friend here, then tap on your friend profile. So here you notice that now I have successfully received the theme option. So now I can easily select new theme here. So if you want to fix this problem, you need to simply use my tricks that I have shown in this video. You can simply join the beta and uninstall the application and reinstall the application, and once you do this you can easily fix this problem. So in this way you can easily fix the problem Instagram theme options not showing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.